Alright, so we made it through night one. It got pretty cold throughout the night and we woke up and our tents were a little bit iced over. So now we're getting our coffee and oatmeal made and we'll be on to the river by 8 o'clock, we hope. Cheers! So we had to carry our boats from over there down here. Here's all of my stuff. And way down there is my boat. And then we go there to start the trip.
Sweet!
Oh, y'all are in there.
Oh man.
You're the best, man. We're on the river 30 minutes later after going down a crazy put-in and jumping in the mud, and oh, it was a mess. But we're here, we're in the river where our boats are a mess. They're not as planned, but we'll figure that out later. It's beautiful though, so there's that. Here we go, 30 miles. You might see it's bright yellow, and it's like smaller than a robin. Alright, so this is what it looks like when plans don't go as you expected. We were supposed to go 30 miles from Hollow Woods today to Old Waynesborough, but the river's not moving. The wind is against us. We paddled our butts off for like 7.5, 8 hours. Our muscles are spent and we just can't do it. We can't. We won't make it in time before dark.
It's time to eat.
So we're pulling out now here. We're gonna set up tent somewhere over there. Yeah, that's where we are. Cheers!
Black bean and chicken, dehydrated meal with like a rotel tomato and an onion and some chicken with spices and...
Alright, so our food has finished rehydrating.
Kitchen.
This is our kitchen.
We're gonna put that there.
This is our house. Our cheese.
Our bathroom's over there.
The bathroom's over there.
Cheese. Rehydrated black bean, chicken, and I think we could have a couple burritos probably each.
Awesome.
So you put this little mixture right.
Yep.
Ooh, it's too fat. I might need my spoon. It's your Neuse side chicken black bean burrito. Oh yeah. This is, oh yeah, it's good.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So we just left Cox Ferry Landing and we are heading to Old Waynesborough Park today. Should be a 15 to 20 mile paddle. We are expecting rain. So we're at the power plant now. If we took a right here through those doors, it would be a shortcut around the power plant, but we've been guided not to do that.
This is Michelle pumping out water.
Hey, so Jennifer and I just took part in the 2021 float challenge. We jokingly were like, I wonder how slow the river is going, because it's going so slow today and yesterday for that matter. Paddling, we've been going 3 miles per hour, which goes down to a tenth of a mile in 2 minutes. And our float challenge, you can see Jennifer's way behind me, but our float challenge for 1/10 of a mile, it took us 6 minutes. So that's how slow is today. So we've arrived at our old Waynesborough Park that we're supposed to stay for the night. Finally. Day one officially is over, but really day 2.
We accomplished a lot.
Yes.
So
But here's the deal.
proud of us.
We're here, but there's no like real pull out, and there's this muck. Like, do you see this?
It's muck
And it's like
beyond what I've ever
at least up to my knees of that stuff. So we had to take our shoes off because they were gonna get lost. So now I've got to walk in that muck to get to shore.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get this whatever. Okay. So we are taking out at Old Waynesborough Park, and Michelle is attempting to get out in her knee-deep muck.
This is Old Waynesborough Historical Society group.
We're gonna portage over to this flat beach so that we can easily load, because we can do this. All right, day 3. We're getting ready to go on the river. Michelle, what have you learned on this trip so far?
I've learned that you can set a plan, but be ready to change it.
And now you know
It'll be okay.
alignment.
Yeah.
Of course, the seat. I'm in.
Yeah, you're in to push.
As you said, it's pretty solid.
There you go. Keep on. I'll wait. Hey, we're on day 3. We are just leaving Old Waynesborough Park after putting our boats in. Took a little bit longer than we, had hoped for with the regular boat launch, but it was fine because it was much cleaner than our takeout was. Today we're paddling 12 miles and we're getting out at some bridge down the road. I don't even remember anymore. But we're hoping for a nice paddle. Hope the storms pass us, but it's beautiful out right now, so here we go.
Beautiful day to paddle. Mountains to Sea Trail, section 11A.
Day 3, beautiful bridge.
Underneath the railroad bridge, and the mileage is all, we're not sure about mileage, but
Yeah.
anyway,